Okhalela amabhasi mdala, amabhasi uMagwizi sekuthengile amabhasi. Izifu ikapile amabhasi. But Jensen on a serious note, I'm not maybe. At least kuchezela i-direction lapho esiyakhona. Amabhasi aseyinatshi.
Ayikhona lena yokuqala lena bro. Lena yokuqala ayikhona yasobhasi. Lala khona ngcono kulala yokuqala. At least we are happy for the development.
Suitman awukhangela.
We are happy for the progress.
Hayi. Ibhasi nje. As long as kule direction kutshengisela ukuthi we are heading in the right direction. Okunye asiqayize nini?
Hayi. Mina personal I just say
Sibone.
I'm sure to our warriors and for the two newly acquired executive buses and
thank you.
But if bus yanomnetse ngeke igade. Bus yanomnetse ngeke igade.
Uzayigada.
Kanti vele nifuze exoliseni uphambaniseni. Ukuthi wakhuluma ukuthi khona wayengela injury.
Uzayigada.
Kuthi khona ufuze exolisa ukuthi wayengela uthi wakhuluma wa criticize wathi kala injury was a failure.
Amabhasi lawa kahle ungathatha ibhasi leyo ufaka la eCapes iphendla.
eCapes ngikhela ama city akhona
hayi laba sikhuluma ngenational team asho. Ibhasi ethwala national team. Lawa phela
yedlunga abantwana besikolo.
Le ngani ngeyana ethwala abantu bese eGwanda
nkayi.
National laba sikhuluma ngenational.
But at least siyabona ukuthi kube le improvement
from
iscaftin sama PX lesiyane esaqala esasithenga oqala. Le la yabubona CV.
Namhluzopa.
Mina saverezazi ngithi if asithi South Africa ingene stadium ngebhasa babuya ngebhasi iZimbabwe yathola lo waseBrandi yathola ilawa la ilandela
liyane eDavs inhle kakhulu
hayi siyasho angithi congratulations namabhasi
mahle siyabonga ukuthi khona hayi kufuze sikhomment
ipositive sikhomment
izimali zethu phela lezi.
What you have to understand madoda ukuthi izifa le is cash strapped ayifani labo Davs iDavs isponsorwa igovernment isponsorwa la ama private lokhuzeni so maybe woni allocation yabi kwana khonoko
izifa nje increase amakhofa zawo anubone bayenzile first congress yabo la ibudget bakhwezine they are heading in the right direction kulo uthuma omunye ngimlandelayo ngangakhuluma ngayo kwenye episode ngisakwazi iphi episode uRobson Sharup uRobson Sharup ubhale enye article enthintileyo kakhulu same sentiments lami ebengila sayisaba labo kamambo mdala izifo bengani kuse comedy house.
No, Umagwizi is trying his best to do something better. And, we appreciate that. But after that, we are now checking the value and the quality of the thing which has been purchased.
Of the past in 2026.
Akuncede ukuthi khona uthi ule phone yonifone yakho ingagcina umlilo. That's what we're talking about now. Yeah. But now from what we heard at first indori kwebhasi lokhana okwakuthi exhibit lokhana into these ones it's an improvement so expecting going further we are going to get a better bus like ilane
point subuya lapha engikhona ngithi mina silapha sisuka khona kutshengisela ukuthi siya ku A city B C lokho esihamba
manje amabhasi la asikaboni kuhle ku ground wathi mfumo maybe vele asazo modify wayenza kuhle
hayi indorindoro ngazumodify ufaka amalokhuzeni indorindoro uyahlala ngozindorindoro
but indorindoro le data uqinile phela kwedlula smartphone kwezisikhathi
mina what I'm saying ukuthi ma kuyikuthi amabhasi lawa nje iSouth Africa ihamba ngeyayo ibhasi yalandela ngale hayi because it's a national level phela
hayi
phela amabhasi lawa ayi2 ungathengisa angeke uthenge ibhasi enjenge Scotland
hayi ona uzi point esiyitsho
hayi improvement siyayibona nje
thank you
kufana lokuthi ekhaya awula sichebo then uphuma empidini maybe usiyathenga ama chicken skins asonyama ama chicken skins
inyama chicken
but ekhaya bathi kule improvement kodwa asonyama nasifuna inyama
ngiyazifuna inyama
ipoint ukuthi kukhanya ngani lokho esisebungconweni
we agree to that
anyway siyayixolisa ungalibingeleli babukeli emakhaya emagumbi amane omhlaba lapho khona siyabingelela ihlelo i-Pass and Move i-podcast ehamba phambili khona lapha eZimbabwe lasemhlabeni jikelele. Siyabonga ukuthi uxhumane lathi uhlezi uthe gwaqa usibukele, sibonga kakhulu. Uhlelo lusponsor vula phela isikipha zakho mdala ngifuna ukukhuluma ngaso.
Hayi ihlelo sponsor iLucky Bets.
Uhlelo lusponsor iLucky Bets.
So, mntasa-
I-betting company ehamba phambili khona lapha eZimbabwe.
So lapho into ekuzisa ubuhlungu ukuthini ukuthi iChiefs yiyo yodewini lebhlawayo this weekend. Phela mina ngisazwisisa ukuthi
Mana ngiqede ngizasemvike esikipeni sakhe. The program is proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Mfuna ukuthi ngesikipha sakho wena thank you feeling lucky with Lucky Bets. Anto feeling lucky with Lucky Bets. So nxa ufuna ungena ku Lucky Bets hamba ku .co.zw khona bana ube yiphanta usubscribe uzibhejele kuhle. Iyathatha i-Eco Cash, iyathatha i-Omari, iyathatha inbugs ube mnandi ane wona uMasudi la usmart ngeLucky Bets anyali ukuthi iChiefs bro wami iwinile konke benisithi wena uyicompetitor yethu uchaye uyi-enemy of the state ilesi ngeke ziqambe ngebizo ehlelweni but yona inhle smart
hayi umezi
kumnandi ukuthi ama-team abe
lama-sponsors.
yes lathi sibe
ukuthi sibona ama-teams
struggle yikho lapho engikhona
Yeah, ngiyazwisisa.
you understand
Yeah.
bese singene endabeni yamabhasi izifa yenza kuhle ngakhuluma nge-article kaRobson Sharuko kade sisuspendele orefu indaba esike sakhuluma ngayo last week
Yeah, yabona-
Patrick sorry ubamba umlomo
Okay.
Eh.
Yabona indaba yokususpendwa kwama-ref leyana. Mina ngizahlala ngikhuluma without fear or favor.
vele kumele ube
And
nefiya
into yabo ref lana eyenzakala ema-ground, uref is there just to officiate the game, to mediate ukuthi kona ama-teams adlale fairly and the better team win at the end of the day. Uref kafuzanga decide the play no matter ngwayiphi team umbe ngayiphi team usuka kuliphi idolobho kulala kuliphi idolobho. The ref has to make sure that ukuthi ibhola liyadlalwa ngoba kulama teams angabhadaliyo imali ama-ref but babe expect ukuthi la bethole a fair result bese siba nama-team abhadalayo and nxa ebhadala sesingabonanga sizwa amahunga ngithi but the thing which I'm now happy about is the thing which is being done by the match commissioners. I'm saying thumbs up to the match commissioners. Bengayala besenza so into ye-corruption and bad officiating ama-ref iyaphela because ababhala ama-report nala oyenziwa ngo-ref you cannot credit i-team ukuthi iwine kumbe i-team ukuthi idliwe ngenxa ye-mistake yawo yenzayo ekwanisa ukulungiseka. We have seen oref bephikisana nabo linemen. We've seen because uref has got power overturn ama-decisions nabo linemen which is not fair rather. So uref karefule ngendlela efaneleyo kachaya impembe nje because then into eyilandile eground lapha nokuyachaya impembe eyichaya ngendlela eqondileyo eqede phi imali yakhe ehamba endlini ayikhona into izafuna ukuphiwa enye imali extra phezulu nxa bengasuthiseki ngeholo labo abalodge complaint to their employer bekhweza imali nxa befuze bekhwezele imali ayikhona ukuthi beyithathe emathimini. It's not fair because 42 yikho kubangela imisindo eground ekubangela ukulu so and angazi ukuthi indaba konke kusenzakala kobulawayo wonke urefa besuspendiwe khona PPF
IPF yasinda
APF
yasinda
Yasinda iPhuma
IPF
So the ref in question here is Carlota Patrick has been suspended from officiating Premier Soccer League matches for 6 weeks with a suspension covering match day 7 to match day 12. The decision follows a report from the match commissioner relating to the Premier Soccer League fixture between Highlanders and FC Platinum played at Barberfield Stadium on 4 April 2026. According to the report, the match official made an incorrect decision which determined the outcome of the match. The suspension is in line with Article 22 of the Referees Code of Conduct. I think we need the Code of Conduct of referees so that we need to cook that one and have it sikhulume ngento as practical. The association remains committed to upholding the highest standards of professionalism, integrity, and accountability in match officiating as part of ongoing efforts to strengthen the game in Zimbabwe. I-statement esivela kuZifa lesi and articulating endlela ephezulu ukuthi o-match commissioner standard sebesibambile babhala izinto ezizo ezilida to suspension. But mina the only one query majensi into lesengikhuluma kakhulu. Ya suspend match day to match 12. Ngiyakubo from match day 7 to match day 12 ngiya understand. Uyaphenduka futhi umjida lo. Ashaye kumbe enga improve. A suspend from match day 15 to match day whatever. Aphenduke futhi akula enye means ezabanish ref to set an example ukuthi into le asisayifuni.
But no, I think ocho mndaba bengenza njalo abanye sake sibabone umuntu uzethwa kapasanga ilokhuzeni i-fitness lana is not only physical test and I think even mentally or vele ngendlela wena ojaja ngayo. I think sike sababona previous seasons sibilo ref umbone ngekho maybe umbone sesiyachaya ku D1 mesichaya ku D2 until maybe next season la eselokhuzi se upgrade le London watshintsha ukwenza. But iZimbabwe being Zimbabwe yakwazi abantu ba driver into eziningi. Omunye ngayo driver ipassion yokuthanda team yona le abedlala abeyichayela kumbe ezonda le against sake sikubona ngoba kulabanye vela ukuthi umuntu uyabe chapa athi kule yakhe team yabe njani ayisupportana kebe kusizana ukuthi uthi sithi suspend umuntu already 3 points ezihambile kumbe na ukuthi sokube i-draw i2 points ezihambile instead bona abantu abana bekumele bebe upper hand benjani bebe le win. So into yangikhona vele sometimes ya demoralize ama team iqina isenza lama supporter futhi iqina sesenzana sesiba le route behavior esingayifuni yonga eboring.
I think ubutho ngimzengane ama code of conduct abo ref lapha yathi uyathola.
Yeah.
Awusibalile u22 ngezifa ngazifa.
Ngezifa article number 22 ithi khona offense.
Khuluma emikini bekuzo khuluma emikini bekuzo uzasichayisa.
It is the offense making an incorrect decision which may determine the outcome of the match. Then the penalty 6 match suspension from officiating of official games for the first offender, 6 months suspension for second time, while a serial offenders be demoted and or any other penalty as determined by the ZIFA discipline committee as per the gravity of the offense.
But kulo refu lwana from ilokhuzeni code of conduct today kulo refu lwana owasuspendwayo waphindwa wasuspend kumbe uthi kwaye other season kulale season kuyachiyaniswa
yabona
kuzimbonani akula
ngomthetho umthetho ongasiwebhora nxa kuthiwa i-first time offender akulandaba ukuthi uwone this year wayawona after 10 years.
Yes.
Kuyabalwa anti khona uref yakufakanika since uref umagistrate iyathi khona you have been found guilty then you are going to be sentenced for 5 years and 3 years suspended for the fact that you are the first time offender, and if you commit this again bayabuyele emuva sebethatha those 3 years sebesifaka.
This is what I'm saying ukuthi kulabo ref sababona
like the previous ref osaboneli lo.
Yes.
Because was suspended before,
so it's no longer a first offender.
It's no longer a first but kachang 6 months. So iZIFA is not consistent with what with their laws, which is very wrong.
Yes.
Because even the game esibukele this Saturday Islanders Chicken versus Ibloy Chiefs, istriker uthathe ibhora while control ibhora lazochaya isandla sakhe and immediately he scored. And the lineman called the referee because the lineman hlo aphakamisa khona pho ref wakhombela ngalo wasebiza uref wayala wathi khona it's a goal, but ngomthetho webhora lithi khona ibhora lingakuchaya whether the hand is in a natural position or not, or if it mistakenly hit the striker's hand and immediately you score. It becomes what it is allowed for. That's the law of the whether ukuchaya nge mistake whether it's in a natural position whatsoever akulandaba so kopora.
Ayikho clear phela la.
The lineman saw it was clear because the lineman saw it, everyone saw it. So that's the purpose of having an assistant referee. So that when ngicabanga
yiko phela ngikutsho mina ukuthi iBF yanjani iyasinda. For instance kube le similar incident izolo ilokhuzeni ngiyabona iHighlanders ichaya free kick ibhora lelana mina personally ngokubona kwami mina ngibona ukuthi ibhora lelana bali defend ngesandla cause umuntu lwana kalihedanga walidefenda ngesandla kuyi-free kick uchimenye ngimthembile soyana ngisithi
Referee of the year.
referee of the year but laba iyenzile imistake enjalo uline woman and I think it was clear kuline woman
than uref.
mina on that handball bengihlezi ngemva ka line woman lwa bengihlezi ku section lana ngiyibone kuhle ibrana and Uchimene was just maybe 3 meters away from that incident.
But sesingane sesidayi
sikhuluma just ukuthi anti kuyabe outcome echange ukuthi ngawubi ichayi penalty.
bemfundi singabaleki kakhulu emacaleni la aboref la abayenza because lama incident vele sizaphenduka kiyo nyakwazi ukuthi
so let me just jump eka Uchimene. So this ema incidents anjalo njengoba ngisakhuluma ukuthi khona the purpose of a lineman thina simbiza sithi ngu-lineman but bona bathi is an assistant referee. Is there to assist lapho ref angabonanga khona. He is assisting you ukuthi khona ngibone kanje and he has got a proper a better view than wena njengoba utawubona yabongabonanga kuhle but uqeda uyale the same thing ayenzakala offside lokuzeni Dynamos le Blair Chiefs. It was Dynamos Blair Chiefs and Dynamos Islanders. Blair Chiefs. The same thing. So konke khona kana kuyafuze bencedisana and come up with what a proper decision which does not affect or determine ilokuzeni any result of the game.
Kathi mabona oref bengathatha extra measures abezifa to ban uref njengalo ref esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi useke wayenza similar thing sephinda futhi similar thing then ama lokuzena akhe lokho efana lokuthiwa 6 games mabe ngambhana vele asebuyile eqala ku D2 because what happened now ukuthi sebulala i-team Highlanders against Platinum. It was a free penalty la ukhangeleyo fe ukuthi let's a penalty le then asingeke sithi uref lapha akade ngabonanga. Sometimes into esisho ukuthi uyabe le mali angeke ukuthi awubonanga into enjani.
Sometimes ngela imali
favor mawungela imali yabo favor team
yabe ehlekile sometimes ungabonanga
kumbe engakwanisi
ungakwanisi because it was fair ukuthi even ucredit 2 uyabona even wabafana lokho ukudlalela ama under 70 kwawubona but la it's a penalty lapha but khangela manje sokusafisa team i2 points sihambile ngoba remember bekuyi 8 it was 81 minutes isenzakala lananto obviously maybe Islanders it was going to be first win but now
point ojuzama ukuyiputha forward ukuthi ama points abezambili
khona ka ungasani
asabisele umjida but sesuspendwa 6 games. You understand yikho lapho okule trick yakhona but nya understand nyayizwa I point le I think ilokhu izinto ezasinika clarity going forward ukuthi oref la ama first time offenders lama serial andu lama serial
ama serial killer
uthi lo is serial offender but next time baza because kuyabhowa majenzi at the end of the day abafaka umthetho umuntu ahambe achaye phansi
amadu support team kuyabhowa ndo uref bese yenza ngendlela yakhe afuna ngayo.
You understand what I'm saying? So on that case on those issues izifa mayifake
enye into vele ungangeni umsebenzi wokuba nguref nxa ukwazi uzaba le team ozayisupport nxa ungela sibini sokuba neutral yekele ukurefula ubuye usijoyine.
But I think gents into the sesingathi prolong as or if they are women and declare I think izifa ayifaka umthetho simple mina don't think ukuthi it's wrong uref ukuthi
declare ukuthi mina vile hayi chicken inyama hayi Islanders inyama hayi kids Dynamos inyama.
You understand izifa ithi wena vele chicken now awurefuli
Islanders awurefuli
because I'm human urefela umuntu manje obviously vele team yakayisupport
yazi sokuhlupha na asithi urefu supporter asithi ibulawayo Chiefs manje ibulawayo Chiefs now is going asithi maybe ifuna ukuthatha ileague ifuna nge2 points that referee na urefula ngale iScotland versus Caps United. You understand?
Yakwazi vele mina I think and sometimes even nomule passion for a team ukuba neutral uyenza okomsebenzi team uza support ungekho emsebenzini. There's no need to declare cause okunye izinto ezase personal and but umuntu kabe njani just have to be neutral.
No but saveleza uref for interview siyakubuza ubuzwe awula team ino isupport yayo putas
kangela kuma national teams and nxa kuma-national teams ima-competition anjengabo lokuzeni laba nabo AFCON laba, there's no way
Ure from a particular country.
ozarefri game yezimbabwe idlala
Or any game as a decider.
kumbe igame ezadecide i-result
Result
yezimbabwe
yeZimbabwe.
akarefuni.
It's that simple. Exactly, Buku. It's that simple.
It's that
Because
simple.
they should go that
lanxa
route.
ingasareflanga izimbabwe versus south africa, but nxa ikwazi ukuthi ilokhuze nini iluzi ye-mozambique versus namibia
Yeah-affect
iyayenza ukuthi
i-result
izimbabwe
yeZimbabwe.
nxa
Abakuniki
ingafika
igame
ngale,
leya.
ihambe, abakuniki igame.
Because you have declared bakubuza ku-interview ukuthi asusupporta yiphi team hayi mina ngwe-islanders alright sharp.
I remember this other time kwamele kudlaleni kade kwamele kudlale kade kudlala iBarcelona nalani I think kwakuyi-UEFA urefulani wabonakala eziqwele iskipa seBarcelona before
Wabonakala eseshayisa eMan U.
wagcina engalokuzanga wagcina engayirefuranga
Exactly, it's that simple Butters.
and okunye izifa kanti mina yazi kule nto ade ngizibuza yona ukuthi i-position i-franchise kade ngeyani ngezifa kumbe nge-PSL ukuthi umuntu nasefuna ukudiliza i-team usomele ebhalele kuzifa kumbe ubhalela ku-PSL.
Anti i-PSL i-under izifa yiyo ekhangela i-motherboard ebhora.
imithetho yonke yebhora
Imithetho yonke ebhora isuka kuzifa.
But
So lana i-affiliate, i-PSL i-affiliate yezifa.
But is it the right thing yini efuna ukuyenzwa amanye owners emanika Diamonds ukuthi bona they are saying right now you have reached i-deadlock?
Hayi labana angifuni ukusebenzisa ibale eli-wrong. Afuna usebenzise and usuhle wathatha i-point eqakatheke khulu onanzelela on that case.
leyana emanika iyahlupha because ayingeni kuphela kuzifa, ingena also kuma-labor laws because those people they are employed, they are employees. So when you are terminating a contract of somebody else, you have to follow rules and regulations of the country, ama-labor laws.
eZimbabwe antu yakwazi ukuthi ikhalesi umuntu yakwanisa ukuxotsha without notice umthetho uyakuvuma.
Asokalungiswa sokuright kwakuphamazika ngo-2013 laphana kuzoxotshwa
Abantu bezwe.
khathesi umuntu kasawuxotshwa ungela notice. So
Dala vele as long as the contract binding and
nxa ule contract binding and the contract states and ama-rules and regulations, and even if ule contract la nxa ivuma ukuthi khona uyakwanisa ukuxotshwa, but it should be a fair dismissal. That's where it has to come. Unlike into emanika lana, it's not a fair dismissal of ukuyenza, because you cannot say ukuthi khona I failed to pay abantu imali and people are complaining, then you say we've reached a deadlock with those people, so it becomes wrong. So ungakayi kuzifa kulama regulations amaningi awelizwe awebhora awafuze bewalandele konke khona.
abona even ifazi yagcina igijima
Siyabona khona.
isiyafika.
Laphana ukumistreat abantu labana sokuyindlela yokuthi uhlukuluzeke uzuhambe njoba I saw some pics
Exactly.
circulating abantu belele endaweni even
But I think
even not fit enough
Esamente.
for to be a pigsty indawo leyo.
ama-players
Exactly about. I think umeze uzayithatha ipicture uzayifaka abantu bebona just to give our viewers i-context. Sebe singafuni ukuthi sigcine ngani sesidividile sesilahla ama-viewers wethu. So indaba isegudini ukuthi the new owners of Manica Diamonds have written to the Zimbabwe Football Association requesting permission to be allowed to disband the existing senior team and be allowed to integrate players from Manica Diamonds under-19 team and some from Africa Mineral Ventures to form a new senior team. Yabona le kuthiwa incwadi elikhileyo le. Yabo incwadi le yalika to i-public beyibhalele izifa, which is wrong. Into ukuthi azama ukuyilokhuza, but into yakhona ungathi uyayikhangela emanika ngumuntu oyabe ethenge i-team engela idea ukuthi ibhora liranwa njani, but elilove yebhora mepe nca imbinga ngimbinga into amana.
In football, it is allowed to sit down and reach a mutual agreement with the player. Then you terminate a contract.
Umnike imfanelo.
Umnike imali yakhe esele for the
Yes.
remainder of that contract.
Umnike
You
imfanelo
don't
zakhe.
write a letter asking somebody else.
Yeah,
we have seen Cristiano Ronaldo versus Manchester United. They reached a mutual agreement. They paid to Cristiano the remaining balance.
Lokho namdala uPTS ungagijimela uCristiano kajana uPTS
kuHighlanders.
ungahambi
You
kajana.
reach an agreement. Awushona usiyabhala incwadi. So lapha ngabantu abafuna ukubalekela ukubhala the remainder of the amount.
But imanye into engiyithabelele yani ukuthi ikhathesi iManica Diamonds yazi itshengiselene ama-players wona la khona itshengisela abantu ukuthi hayi nasifuna imali khangela i-performance yabo against iYadrogu because abantu bebe-expect ukuthi vele even iYadrogu singabachayivini 6 kumbe 5 but it seemed like baphiwe imali before igame
We're told you behind the scenes
baphiwa
something good has come out of
yalokhuza yaphuza vindo ukuqalisa
yaqina iphuza
but
ukuqalisa.
due to ama-circumstances involving issue yangikhona khange ngathi o-match commissioner labo bantu ba-understanda ukuthi hhayi lapha yi-social welfare ama-players lani lani.
It's very important.
Because
It's important
babe
as
ngaforce abantu umuntu ngolaka egcine eqamula omunye
And-
but kokanti imali yaphuma
To add
badlala
on-
kuhle.
to add on to that, Savereza, we say thumbs up to the match commissioner of the day because uyabela amandla ukuthi ayenzile ukuze i-decision yokuthi khona it's a walkover to understand and play i-game, and also thumbs up to the players for professionalism ekakhulunywa ngu-Archie kuwalasile okuzenini eyethu lana, because as despite ukuthola imali you're still a professional player, you're still a professional somebody. Ngapho usenza ama-grievances akho and just save the image of the game. So it is very important to save the image of the game because just imagine i-publicity yokuthi khona igame alidlalwanga
Eish.
leyana sithole 3 points, that fact yokuthi alidlalwanga kuyatanisha the image of i-PSL and kuyareduce i-value ye-PSL. So we say thanks to the players of Ilokuzenini, iManika Diamonds
Lani
and-
as well vele
Even labo ipoint lana ekhulunywa ngu-Ashi ukuthi it's high time abantu laba baqalisa kunjani ukuzimarket. We have seen ama-players before exotshwa uze kuthiwa low influence riot bakhona singeke sibaqambe
baningi.
but baningi sibili
Baningi.
ukuthi guys kuyathiwa hayi uzibani asisambize esquadini kumbe hayi uzibani sexotshiwe i-team enje ngoba kuthiwa ukuthi hayi asistrikeni singadlali nasingelani but
Imfanelo.
singela mfanelo.
So ama-issues lawa e-walkover ngicela ukuthi ngihle ngifake i-incident eyenzakele kule incident eyenzakele ku-Division 1 Central Region
lesemankazaneni.
lasebankazaneni futhi but emankazaneni is quite
Kuse-
different
kuswelakale
though.
ambulance, yeah.
It's quite different though kule issue ye-super strikers but laphana okunye I think it's high time people get taught angazi uma-workshops abantu bafundiswane especially these administrators so understand i-situation but lama-economic situations agcine ngene at the end of the day. But guys, honestly, we are running if it's a professional entity, a soccer club. A game we are going as far as 400 kilometers. Anything can happen on the road, gents. Usuka ekuseni and expect ukuthi uyafika an hour or so ground. Don't you see ukuthi kule into wrong in that element vele lina li team kungakayenzakali because ingozi zomgwaqo anything ziyenzakala singaka kungakabi lokunye okwenza awubona ukuthi ufaka ama players one you're traveling by road ufuna ukufika an hour before igame usiyangena eground asikakhulumi ngeproblem and in this case kulokhuzeni ku super strikers if ever they will watch this episode and I think it's high time sifake lathi 2 cents ethu lapho esibonakani singancedisa khona ekufundiseni.
Yeah. I think Kanyela, even though they wrote the letter and say they accept the full responsibility of the cause of that match, first of all, you can travel from here to Harare in a single day. Uyefika ukwanisa ukubamba isikhathi sebhola udlale because thina nje ama supporters siyanizwenza njalo. But now there are so many contributing factors ayenzakala emgwaqweni umgwaqo so wakho. There are so many things ezenzakalayo mechanically ama faults ayenzakala emgwaqweni. You can go and reach the place. Then why ama teams ehamba a day before? Bahamba a day before not because they cannot afford to go on that day. They go there because if, for instance, there's something okwenzakeleyo a day before, there's still another 24 hours to rectify that problem.
Suqedile
and to
bhuti.
also send a message nxa kuyikuthi bayenze i-accident which is beyond ukuthi maybe ama-players wonke alimele basend i-message sesenze i-accident then i-match lana ehle bethiwa postponed aseyo match abandoned it's match postponed because sokule accident nxa kuyikupontsha befonele backup lapho abasuka khona can you come and have another car ezasithatha esihambisele phambili bebehambise phambili that's the purpose. Two, i-fatigue ama-players ngabantu asoma-machines they need to have time to rest relax and beclimatize bethole isikhathi and have a morning talk ama-discussions. Those are the things which are very important in games of football. So if you don't have money to do it, don't do it. If you don't have money to do it, just sell like okwenzile ukuze niyimanyika diamonds.
But bangichaze nge-one thing butho bakhipha i-statement
In time though.
Bakhipha i-statement bafaka ama-sequence of events. The team departed Gwanda at approximately 8 a.m. for Tongogara, a journey of roughly 400 kilometers with intention of arriving in adequate time for the fixture. En route, the team was delayed at a road accident scene at Bulawayo's main site, Harare Road, for approximately an hour and a half. The incident was immediately reported to the officials. Upon receiving the report, the club chairman communicated the situation and the unanticipated delays to ZIFA officials. For the incident and subsequent procedures caused a delay exceeding 1.5 hours. As a result, the team arrived at the Tongogara home ground after the stipulated kickoff time. The team was on the pitch at 15:40 hours. Already, this statement is already answering to what you are saying. Ukuthi, guys, please,
hambani ngesikhathi.
not for super strikers kuphela. All the teams in Zimbabwe, because the purpose of this podcast is to educate and fix Zimbabwean and inform as well. And at the end of the day, we fix Zimbabwean football from our perspective. Guys, zamanini uthatha ama measures akhunywa ngubutho. You know them, they are fundiswa ama workshop. Try to travel early. Or a day before. Ukuthi nxa kusiba lento enje.
And to avoid speeding.
Ngiyakuzwa Ashan. But the problem mina I think okunye okwenza ama team anje abo super strikers balabe relax. Ungakhanyela recent events ade khona ku Central Region ama games asuke wapostponedwa amaningi due to natural factors and
izulu what
so angikwazi ukuthi umbe labo sebe relaxile sesitshela kumbe lathi kuza postponed kuzathwala yabo le man made mistake, it was a natural izulu ku right ukuthi hayi maybe Gwanda Pirates yehlulekile udlala le Sabi Gold Mine because izulu linile what kumbe enye team ivalule ngamanzi ngale njengoba these days umchabezi ibridge leyavala anytime izulu ngavele ngathi liyana but lawa ama mistake lawa nje let's hope they've learned their lesson.
Lawa sesibathethele
because lawa vele yothiwa ngama silly mistakes. Why? Because as even lama supporters mathwa ayarara amanye ahamba ngesikhathi ayifika kuzo uthole vele umuntu usefikile omunye ntamba masake sebona begade amabhasi besiya khona la befuna la ukuyaclimatize khona ngayo
sungathola ama supporters ahamba afika before bona
ikubuthe vele lokuthi mawe ukuthi asithi maybe kube lengozi igame lebi ya postponedwa asithi kube lengozi kunja nje asithi ipremier sesibhadalile ama $5 eticket la ibhalwe no refund mntana uzayenza njani mntana istadium segcwele njenge PF kuthi hayi team lana ayisabuyi
umsindo phela
so umsindo mntana imali yakho zabe siyayithola ngoba sabe sesifuna.
And the other thing ama teams akuma division or lower division they have to learn is that when you are in division 1 you are as good as a Premiership League
100%.
because next season if you qualify in the Premier League, so 100%. If you cannot afford to camp at Division 1, then why wasting your time?
But look ngiyakuzwa butho. But na le situation le fana le yenza le game ni abafazi. You know who is to blame for that situation?
I think the home team is to blame. That's why they awarded the points to
home team yo made it ama policy thing le ambulance.
Umthetho ucho I think umthetho vele wona ucho njalo because they in this case you are referring to the game between Ikwekwe Queens that the
Ikwekwe idlale
it's not Ikwekwe Queens
correctional
the
la manyulo kuzeni laba bayithiwa yini team le
Correctional Queens le Rise Hope.
Rise Up, I saw first give. I think it was their first game win.
So
the league,
it's
Premier.
administration issue as well.
Right.
Administrators that particular team, but they should have read and understood the rules and regulations of that particular league. Uthi athini.
We know that sometimes the law is not fair. We have to agree to that. Because kunje when uyakwanisa ukuwabiza amapolice, uwabiza i-ambulance, then ibengabuyi for the circumstances which they only know what the reasons based to themselves. But ozabe ezasuffer vele nguwe ekugcineni kwelanga because kuyafana nokuthi umntwana ehambe efe baphandle ngale bese lesiso endlini. Kuthiwa khona umzali kazange wondle kahle umntwana. So that's what happens. Ibona belokuzile befindisiwe because bechajiwe because they are the home team. But sometimes amapolice akwanisa ungabuyi, i-ambulance yakwanisa ungabuyi. There's so many scenarios ayisenzakala in the previous times ukuthi kona i-ambulance ayikho, igame ayazake idlalwa. Khonapha ama-Premier League matches. So sometimes abantu bama-ambulances ibafuze they have to honor maybe nxa befuna ukubhadala in advance bekhuluma ukuthi ufuna ukubhadala in advance.
Yeah, but nxa in this instance butho lingayenzanga asingeke siyesola abantu bama-ambulance esola amapolice. Sesola lina awudemeleli
asakwazi ukuthi
But imagine first game and lapha ukubona ukuthi into le since kuyi-team i-women soccer into le bona yathi ayizoziba demotivate yini bona laba abantu ukuthi first game yethu siyehlulekile ukudlala.
Umthetho asethenini presidency phela James silandeleni umthetho. I-Rise of Hope umthetho ngumthetho. I-Rise of Hope kumele make sure ukuthi okuchiwe ngumthetho because if there's an inadequate shortage of security igame bakwanisa ukuthi match commissioner igame liyayidlala benika ama-points
Bafazini kodwa yini.
awula ukuthi umthetho nje make sure there is an ambulance ibingekho. Understand? Imagine imagine bethi babazwela igame idla phela eBoreni anything can happen. Umuntu aqhamuke phoqo
awuqhamuka ungcono collapse
aginya ulimi umuntu aginya ulimi phela eBoreni aginya ulimi so kufunakala i-ambulance wena o-match commissioner bathe igame ayidlala. Imagine how risky story lesana bese yaphuma sesinjani
selichajwa yimeto.
Istory lesana bese yaphuma sesinjani. So ba-right ba-enforce umthetho bathi igame le ayidlalwa 3 points sebefundile le super strikers sebefundile.
They have to learn it the hard way.
Yeah, you have to learn the hard way. You have to learn the hard way at the end of the day.
If you don't know the easy way.
Hey, namhla iviki le is just too many kunengi man, but hopefully
but manje abantu easy way bayidinga yikubona abantu sebeqayisa ukuthi njengeBoreni le-Africa yikubona indaba zejuju lezi sezingathi zihamba phambili lezi.
on that issue nje vele uhlongenisa indaba ode sefuna sikhulume ngayo. Izolo ngithe ngisuke eBeef ngathi mana ke mbukele because there was a Soweto derby eSouth Africa. Bekungayenzi nyekhutha i-local ngathi ngizayibona mbayimbayi because anti awazi baphinda mana mbukele i-repeat mdala amabhawu e-Pirates lawo e-Chiefs karikiriki kubangwa into le mana umbuzo le ngiwufaya kuhle ngiwubuze kuhle rephrase ngifake sharp ngazibuza ukuthi i-African juju iyaspana yini because ngeke ngabona uMabhezi ukhulume ngayo issue yakhona. Ngabona eBeef esenta lapha chicken in players the Bulawayo Chiefs players not Highlanders players the chicken in players abanye babuthana esenta abanye labo babuya kungani vele awusazwana ngayibona futhi eSouth Africa same thing ngathi into le yaso problem eZimbabwe uMabheza la wakhale simply ama players eMozi leScotland esenta futhi kwabangani kulomsindo but bese we have time kwabangani kulomsindo babuthene kulento yebengani yenzakala ngoba kwagcina sokukhanya ukuthi i-issue yekhemu i-African juju iyaspana yini or psychology gents because into lesiyenzakala kakhulu because ePirates uyaziyo ozobecela indawo zebecebe sithi ijuju team
ukhona lo
wamaqanda igiant le
uhambe ibulala amaqanda even lokho but I think it's more of psychological warfare ukedlula enjani ukudlala because wena lapha yabufakani ifi nga ku-opponent yakho yabo but ngabe twa ijuju yasebenza sibe ngabe maybe African team siyake yathatha belilo ku i-World Cup
or something big.
Or something big.
I mean, I think ijuju umuthi wemuthini cause lokhana kuyinto bakwenza against omunye umuthi amboni ukuthi ungakwenza ukha kubo Spain ka bawuthaka kakhulu lo muthi wakho but I think umuthi uyemuthini eAfrica kuyasebenza
but yawathi labo bale kwabo abakwenzayo
ya lababe lawo abama-rituals
yabona amakhulu athunqisa into yabo leya it's not like Jay abantu abana laba lezinto zabo singangeni dibo ukuthi bona kulanto abayenza
o-New Zealand sake sibabone labo besenza athiwa yini amahaka
Amahaka
lawana
abo,
it's more of a ritual than ukuthi ithiwa sithi walk ride ya.
into le emithi isebenza so isebenza as much as good as a prayer. What you believe in, that's
Thank
what
you.
you just rely on.
Thank you.
So if you believe in God, before the match you pray.
hayi ungathi god usuphambanisa ngoba ama-Africans
I'm giving an example. I said if you believe in God, before
nabe
the
juju
match,
babebhiliva kuGod
before the match you
But,
pray.
you
Mana
know,
phela nxa ubeliever emithini before the game you do your juju things. But konke konoko anti it's just psychologically akusebenzi especially kwemuthi la kana akusebenza. Nje even nxa ubukela igame ezolo for example the scenario setuzani Islanders le Cape United ama-players e-Cape United bechaya ama-players e-Islanders nge-psychology bahamba bonke bayagcwala egedini lebhoso babamba inethe banyikinyiza benza there's nothing there ama-players e-Islanders abalekayo ebhokisini likely they know ukuthi khona i-strategy sokuthi bebulala iwall sebulela iwall lanethi sethiwe ngikhipha nxa liphenduka ngalibhora khako bhora akula muthi i-psychology
because even umntwana lwana vele uthe esuke enethini ube ngathi nguye futhi ohlohlile ube ngathi offside but ngokuphanika abagcine bemkhava urawuji ucine emkhava
because ubesadingana enethini
so nina basically lithi ikhema ispan
hayi lana
But
it's something you believe in.
yabona ochomu laba ngendlela ababe so invested ngayo entweni yabo ngibone eScotland thatha isigubhu sesiya theregeza amapole la
Akusebenzi konke.
hayi but hayi
you believe ayikubelieve
I'm like eAfrica
ukuthi khona vele umuntu
Emperor
omnyama
Africa
yena vele umuntu
Umuthi
omnyama
ya-Africa usebenza nxa nguloya wena direct wena.
asikhumene eBoreni
ukuthi okunye into ephumelele ukuthi akusebenzi because each and every time ungakuphiwa ukuthi uyephumelela wena nxa ungakuphiwa umuntu wakhona kuyathiwa uyenza imistake yiko ungasasebenzanga
eBoreni madoda into ezenzakalayo
so why singawini
hayi but bawuyini abantu ngento yena leya
why sidliwa ngemithi yakho
ngithi ama-team wona nawo awi i-Pirates ikwenza every day they're winning even uTiko Modise even
abakho phezulu
bawinile izolo because thina into engiyibonileyo umuntu yabe winile libhawule la lishamuye ngamashoti
izolo badrawini
hayi kophela ngithi umuntu the only person engimbonileyo winile libhawule la lishamuye ngamashoti bamchala amvusa phansi nguye umuntu ongabe njani but Kokiana akusachaza ibhora is not akusafaka ipicture e-right eBoreni even kusasa noma ungahamba beqashwa for instance maybe abantu be-Southern Africa kumbe amanye ama-regions bajayele ukukhala ngokuthi ngale Northern Africa baphathwa kubi ngoba abantu labana kusasa naselihamba nje siyakuthi hayi e-Algeria bafike basichaya kumbe e-Algeria bayalila ukuthi senze izinto zethu ani kuyikhokhani ukuthi wena vele e-Algeria bayasebethe lo lingamvumela engene eground uzathelani uyathela into zakhe
because they've seen a lot. This is what I'm saying. They've seen a lot. Especially Africa.
Naselisilwa kusasa usubuye basichayile abantu bathi hayi vele linabe lisenza
mdala mina that's why bona bembhiga ubutho ngama issues of ama beliefs ama-Brazilians they are known of praying what into zabo Argentina uhamba ngaphi Italy wonke abantu balento zabo you understand umbuzo lokusamile e-Africa ijuju iyaspana because abantu they are so invested in Brazilian
mina eBoreni can conclude
thina ikosithe yibelief uyabona
kule interview engayenza lo China la babukeli ungahamba uye-check interview yana ngambuza uChina ngento yejuju because into leyo sengiyibone kakhulu bisiyenzakala kakhulu ngambuza wathi isense biyaziwa ngejuju wena wadlala kusense uChina wamphendula ngendlela ophenduke wathi mdala yibuyithi bethu into leyi siyenza buyithi abayenza okwesichurch ibuyibo babo yikho kuyabasebenzela lathi into yethu yasebenzela That was the answer I got from China. That is why you bona teams anje abo Pirates ungihamba even bo Ghana Asante Kotoko what babe lenyanga zabo into lezana bona kuyaba singayiphonga uyidismissa.
Do you know ukuthi khona wena ngingathatha isigodo ngikunike usiyabhala exam even if you are intelligent ungapasa uyacabanga isigodo sokupasilela.
I believe.
You understand? So that is why you see la nxa singaphiwa isigodo lezana sikhambe kuma tournaments anjengabo World Cup siyaphenduka singawinanga ngoba kusebenza.
Then kube sekuba le team enje iSenegal.
Isebenza isigodo nga.
iSenegal.
Uyibonile?
iSenegal Google kathesi.
Yabona
Google
iSenegal.
kathesi. Yakhumula bani video besafika uzothi abambile badizinyanga yabo. Iphinka la kathe imali.
But
It's a belief.
lesana it's a belief but
You can see
materially eSenegal deserve ukuthi
we have
ama players
seen-
akho
Let those guys have got
Eh?
talent.
not inyanga kuphela. We have seen even ama prophets at Africa la a predictor ama
Ama-game.
scores angaphumiyo. Kule mayo wakwathe i-team
I-team
izawina. I-team yangawina.
Mana lengiyiche kubabukele. Cela lisitshele ukuthi eAfrica ijuju iyasipana yini. Ngoba lapho sakhulumile ngale zethu of got a lot of
look,
issues.
Or even you can write your own comment.
Unike reference
Unike
yeteam.
Unike reference.
team.
mina
Yes.
mina savera ngithini ngithi uashilo engagula manje nje kuthi kahambe elayina esibhedlela ewozi lapha ezilongu atmosphere ukuthi ushonensa abengakuboni ukusila kwakhe but the moment ukuthi udoctor lokuzeni yakhe white
Ibhajila ke.
le bhashi lakhe li white
Efike emtihi.
kumbe amnika amanzi afika athi nathi amanzi lawo
Kumbe emtigugu.
uyathi kuphuma ukhona uyazizwa ngani hayi userayi kumbe usebhilifi
Kumbe
ngoba uhambe ngicabanga
stethoscope.
Baraskhulu okunye okupractical ongazoye camp. Lucky base if you are feeling lucky.
Yes.
Ungena kuphela uthi Manchester City win, uthi Cape United win. Nxa uzithemba
Baza win again. I-Caps United yawina against what? Bukhulumela weekend edlule.
Hayi,
Ngoba
mina
i-weekend
buya.
lesiyakiyo le amboni i-Caps
Mana
wina le.
phela yathona ukuthi badlala lani yawazi lapho sikhona. Ngisakhuluma nama-Panthers nje Lucky base. Upho ukuthi Cape United win, uthi Manchester City win ngama-example. Angisho ukuthi ngama-team awina ngama-example kathesi. Uzifakele imali yakho if you are feeling lucky. Please ungabheji ngemali yesitshewu and you must be over 18 siyacela. Asifuni abafana abancane sebethwala nzima lapha sebefuna ukubheja ngoba Lucky base iyawinisa. Please yenza njalo nxa ulilaki ungaziwinela something eLucky base khona phana. Siyaphambili ngohlelo. Le ekhemu le bazasibhalela besitshele lapha ngoba ingasithatha isikhathi. Ndomunye umbuzo madoda futhi after ekhemu. Mbona ama former players amaningi abengama coach. In this case I will make an example of two esibabona khathesi, of which is Benjani Mwaru and Willard Katsande. Willard Katsande is struggling ku Rangers ngale kakatholi win. La udraw kakhulu. Usedlwe 1. I think udraw 4 wadliwa 1 5 games. So umbuzo wami nangu. Ama former players amaningi why be struggle ngithi ababe good rather eBoren, why do they struggle in becoming good coaches? Ama team abo they tend to struggle abaningi emazweni. I'll give a example abo Gary Neville bagcina bezowuchi coaching
Wayne Rooney.
or Rooney. So just the two lapha ezim sesibonile uKatsande usethethe amabheji akhe waphi team is struggling, team ifightele relegation. Ngombono yakho ngiqalise ngayo Masudu.
I think laphana bona le experience it counts bangena laphana umuntu wakhona mana ngimhlawumbe njengoKatsande anje awuthi ezihlalele eSouth Africa yebo usefundile
Ubenza amabheji coach academy
coach then given a team ongayaziyo and then trying to uthi efake kahle odoli bakhe ungabona sohluleke 4 games without ama results, which means wena usasekude ne coaching mbona they are failing ngakhonokho. Like now once khuluma la ngobench ubench sike sambona ekungezi wahluleka kungezi then bamgcwalisa ibhatch umoya, then now kuse ku Highlanders and then now is still struggling futhi. Asithi uBenji kumbe uyazama but he's still struggling. Now it's on 12th position. So I think amabhatsha bagqokile maybe abengakaba fit kahle.
Yena situation I think mina abantu laba sometimes babe lo mnyama othi vele already yena yabe segadi sinking ship. Egadi sinking ship nice njengo captain one escape leso. Na escape vele sichona sesichona njani? Sichona la kodwa yena vele usithole sinjani? Sivuza. For instance situation ngamaruwaru. Umaruwaru politics is a team. It was more of like overshadowing performance yakhe. Yabo or affecting the way team enjani adlala ngayo. Sike sezwe indaba zemali, sike sezwana. But so far ama games ade bayakhangelela ukuthi kuthiwa maybe ngadliwa la edliwe la ukwanisile to produce even noma kuyi 1 point and it was a better result than ukuthi abanye abantu bebekhayilela ukuthi vele uzanjani uzadliwa. And eyinye ade kuthiwa lesithi yi derby lokuze nini iBlawayo derby managed to come out victorious. Not even lange 1-0 kumbe hayi lange penalty hayi 3 goals. Okutshengisa ukuthi maybe uzathola winning formula yakhe as time goes on. Ukuthi nje isikhathi asibekezele asila patience lo muntu.
But umbuzo wami lokhu sami.
Right. To answer your question, sometimes coaching is as good as teaching. So it is not easy to impact knowledge. And it is easy to express the talent we have. So nxa udlala usebenzisa italent olayo, it's easy to express that talent you have. But taking that knowledge you have and impacting to other people, it takes a skill, it takes somebody ozwisisayo how what it is to teach, what it is to groom, what it is to guide. So those are two different things. I might be a talented player, or a talented singer, but to educate or impart that knowledge which I have to other people becomes difficult. That is why ubona kusiba nzima kibo ukuthi be produce that result. The only experience they might be having yokufundisa is trying to imitate ama-coaches ukuthi bona ucoach wakhe wayesenza njani kuye. But the way ucoach ayithatha information yakhe ayibisa kuye, it will be different. So ukuze ukuthatha ukususe kuwe ukufake to player A, player B, it becomes difficult. So i-coaching ayisonto just for everyone. That I played football. That is why ubona omhlawuli abadlala ngibhora but they managed to coach.
Now umuntu osekhuluma into engane uyazi bese ngisiya ku point ibi
lo Mourinho kadlala
Mourinho la wacho same waba libhulu ka Mourinho because yawathi ungacheka former players that have done exceptionally well as coaching, there are very few.
Ayizibo bonke abantwana babe bright ababa ama teacher because ikhathesi kulomunye umuntu othi uyahluleka even lokhu explain into eyazi eyibhale phansi so but uthi ngichasisela lapho
so basically what we esikuvumelana ukuthi ucoach amadoda is not for everyone.
Coach is not for everyone. That's why inhlala
it's a calling lokho
insalance abantu besithi khona ufuza uqala udlala ibhola uzube ngcoach. Hayi ukucoacha ufuza ukwanisa ukuthatha ulwazi olalo uruhambisa kwabanye abantu.
Ngabona uMaradona ehle ukucoach le cream yonke even aje bamnika iArgentina labo Messi bamdabula endazula la wayengcoach. So semvumo into le ukuthi ucoach is not for everyone.
Lona ndayidakwa ama drug.
Look at your club. Yabona mina I like being yourself, ungapanic. Because most of coaches last khuluma ngawo apanika. Uyabona ngendlela asebenza ngama substitution sebelalendela imedia but a real coach vele kapanikiswa imedia. Even ama fans ampanikisa.
So you can kutsho phela ukuthi oklobo abadlala nga to the level yani wow.
Kaye into okhuluma ngayo yani. Lokana kuyachiyana ngakho. Ama coaches akhangele for instance Chirac is a former player
but it's not a wow. It was not a wow player.
Kazange waba yilani.
This is what I'm saying.
Uthi nazo zithola ukatsanduza lokhuza ubone reflection yakhe
exactly
kuvumi yakho njalo.
There are few people who are able to do that. It's not easy.
Isikhuni salumlotha.
Exactly.
So I coaching semvumini.
Because
I coaching
coach people bakuthatha ukuthi ukucoacha you extend i career yakho. It's not like that. you are trying to take the knowledge you have wikhamse kwabanye. You are trying to groom talent okunye umuntu eyenze perfect, which is not easy. So vele akukho lula akula ndaba ukuthi udlale njani umba udlalanga.
Umba udlalanga.
Ufuna umuntu ololwazi lokukhuthaza.
Lakho kuyanothi omunye umuntu and sengathi yena sefuna abantu aba-perfect ukuthi umuntu uzathi hayi mina vele ngifuna umuntu odlala njengobani, ngifuna umuntu odlala njengobani. Usukhohlwa wena ukuthi abantu labo abantu kuleveni lezo ezidlalayo uzaba le 3 years perfect. Ukumbuza zithanda zibe ama-favorite umbuza thini. Laba abanye they will end up not contributing because besithi ucoach anti vele ulabantu bakhe. Yes. Laba abanye 3 laba bazayenza i-donkey work yonke. Laba abanye bethi nazingaze sidlale nzima vele ucoach abesithi mina ngikwanisa.
But the bottom line sengivumile ngayipasisa. Coaching is not for everyone.
Yeah.
Coaching is not for everyone.
It's not for everyone. Mina vele mbamba ipoint kabutho. Uyabona sometimes ungabona ama team up. Uyabona umwaruwaru asenjana. Kuma team abulalayo. I'm told maybe menze striker. Ucoach obona ama strikers. But kube lo coach ngoba ulwazi sho ngobutho ole experience uza impacta is my dealer line. La strikers on la.
So
coaches are
point
because now Kelu Errol sibona ukuthi akho now Errol sengu goalkeepers coach nje.
Yeah, so
he's taking from them but as long Errol omunye umfana loba ade bamba ngumuza kumbe nguArusha yabona but Errol ubambe kakhulu ku Highland. Ulwazi la usengaluthatha ngaku Errol but ucoach yena afinalize.
So far kodwa uArrel akukabi is doing wonders.
uNomalvin lingakhula.
Banceda angithi asazi ukuthi ole upper end but so far
we just want a former goalkeeper ipoint yakhe samini
which is just wanna but so far just wanna praise uArrel ukuthi bengabe belomnyama izolo kwa badliwa bangabi ba consider 2 goals and but so far vele goalkeeper bakhe bebenjani
bebe state
uyabona into engichoyo ungakhangela uMaruwari ungakhala ngesikhathi ayedlala ngasibhora most of the times ama coaches akhe amaningi kakhulu they used to love ukusubstitute late. That is why bona la substitute late.
Le sayibamba imba ngongera ku segment yethu lucky base once again. Feeling lucky with lucky base. Sesingena kuma results at this. Ama games wabonile Wednesday sasipredictile kuhle. Le I hope also Zubale.
Can I be excused?
We wonder la.
Atkaze the Wednesday.
Exactly.
Wednesday scored in the Dynamos.
We mina lo Masutu sibambile we say it's a draw. Nxa ukuthi asabanga draw Dynamos will take it. But it ended up as a draw as well.
That one clean. Then is it PC Karipa the Bulawayo Chiefs.
We had given Bulawayo Chiefs sonke and Bulawayo Chiefs lead at first, but however ZPC Kariba being Kariba when in Kariba what is yeah being Kariba we've ended
then the big one uswazi lokuqala
uswazi yabona
Chicken Inn versus Highlanders
kade sinqami predict ansafaki ibalo ukuthi kuvandalize omunye wafaka ukuthi kuvandalize team yakhe bayenzela ansafaki futhi bala le wakho into ngasangini ungakuphi
ungathanda but let's try and because igame lesayibona let's try and in just 2 minutes try and analyzing and access ukwenzela abantu abangayibukelanga igame le according indlela esayibona ngayo. Please remember indlela esibona ngayo lingasishawudi indlela esabesibone ngayo thina.
Mina to me baba Chicken Inn ibiyayenza njengo Caps United. Chicken Inn yabhayiza. Chicken Inn we know kuba kade sifaka amalokuzene i-ball position. Chicken Inn ibihamba maybe nge-8-20 first half. Chicken Inn ibidlala ibhora and then babadali second half angazi kumbe ucoach kumbe yini. Baba you can't delay nge 47 minutes.
Babadali
ukwadala usulale like usithengisa opponent ukuthi nyale saba. Yale ndasa siyabuya ngoba laba bantu laba asesaba. Because thina lathi aba-Islanders besesithi laba sisitshayile second half i-team ayibuya sathi laba sisitshayile sabona belala 10 minutes umuntu alale 2 minutes kulale ngale asobhora ikwadala lo gama bazidlisa lapha
ndakuliya ucine mara yusavereza I think la wayibona game la uvumela lo basuthi issue yakhe ukuthi babadala ochomi labana
mina going into that game mina personally I think iChicken ini yayizitshela ukuthi iHighlanders yi-walkover because singakhanyela ama-players e-Highlanders ayengakempanga ama-players e-Highlanders ivike yangikhona e-strike but ubutho mentioned ukuthi iChicken ini ihlakaniphilani akumelanga ithathe ama-problems e-Highlanders iyabona engathi kumbe sokuyi-advantage kibo abantu labana asazi ukuthi kwafika kwaba le motivation bane dressing room because iHighlander eyayidlala e-first half le-Highlanders yabidlala second half kwaso kule enye into e-different ngabo abantu ukuthi bamotivatwa ngani asazi but whatever it was ngabe it worked ngabe kuthiwa even le game yayizolo bakusebenzisile they might have come out better kumbe bona sebehamba ama second half yoba sibabone bebuya futhi second half sebeqinile but hayi ngabe imalane lathathu ehambisa ngayo ndira eSpain ngabe lathatha lazodela ama spice
uyakungena nje
yakwazi umuntu omnyama nje umuntu omnyama kabongi nje ama-team la bestruggle ama-team akobulawayo lani seliwazama abantu sebelichoka so next time asilenzela ama-favors but however ilokuzeni the game itself like umasude ekhulumile first half it belonged to Chicken Inn. We played a very good football
100%
and we were supposed to go first half maybe leading 3 or so goals
or more
but akusabanga njalo being football always being football now when we came to the second half ngawuthiwa kokusechina nganza ukuthi i-Highlanders itshintsha ama-players wonke yafaka amanye amatsha afana because the game changed in the second half. It was a different game altogether. We didn't play the same game first half which we played second half which we played first half. We went there and we were too complacent. We told ourselves that we have won against against the Islanders against the Islanders and that killed us. So it was complacence which killed Chicken Inn.
But Masutu mentioned something. Esayibona we all witnessed it BF. Istyle lesiyana esabo linoti sokulala.
Usa attend ukhipha ngale omunye ilale nga.
Sivela nga.
Sivela nga. Why this
lilida kuhle ithimu leyikhulela. Ngezindlela
iBF inje so. Abantu abangayijayelanga ukudlala iBF awusozikwanisa. The 12th men, the fans of
they are very intimidating, we know.
They are very intimidating.
But it's Chicken Inn, they know.
I understand. Oshikwa, there were few people who understand it. But konokiana we are affected because the Islanders umuntu engabambi ibhora. Ukubamba ibhora nxa sebemfuna ngale ama terraces umsindo wakho you think that it's a goal. And wena nxa ngakujayelanga kuyakwethusa. So I will assume ukuthi kona it was fear which made them ukuthi beqasa ukwesikhathi earlier before the time was come.
Okunye vele ungakhanyela angikwazi ukuthi kumbe iplay yakhe kumbe ngithi win ukandiraya because even ungakhayela ekusimba bhora even la uScotland ama league angkhona wayathatha ama 1-0 1-0 1-0 is good in defending iscore akula match abalwa ama match esokuthi sithi i-team yakhe iwinile 4-0 kumbe i-team yakhe iwinile 5 uyazitshayela i-1 yakhe relax which is good now uthi yabe njani but for i-team hungry for ukuthi produce ama results njenge-Highland because laphana nto yabona ukuthi yena wathambisa isikorobho zomuntu esasesifuna ukuwoma vele that day
but nonetheless and
mfundisi sidlule kiyo sikhangele
alright
abuya ama results
nonetheless in football those are the things which happen. You learn from those things. Sesifundile
ukuthi Ndira is a seasoned coach my guy.
Ndira is a seasoned coach like I said ukuthi kona everything falls and rises from the leader. Undiraya is going to get the blame because ungu coach we don't know what he had told ama-players akhe. Ama-players akwanisa ukwehluleka uku-executa ucoach abatshele khona.
But,
So sometimes mina laphana I blame mostly not coach.
Mina I'll tend to disagree. I'll tend to disagree with that. Yazi why? I-chicken nina ayizange ilale first half.
Yakwathi
I-chicken nina ayizange ilale first half. Ayizange ilale not even second half they dominated
But-
play 100%.
Exactly.
So i-message I think Masutu summed it up very well. I-message i-second half ngeka-coach madoda, let's not lie. I-second half belongs to abantu labana bevele dressing room. First minute uchikuwa selele phansi. Akulanto eyenzakeleyo i-message evela e-dressing room liyana
nokunye
madoda.
mina I think khona ukuthi you now ukhuluma ngokwe-depth. You mentioned ukuthi early ama-player sometimes abengakwazi ukuthi what is at stake kahle kahle. Ngoba umuntu lwana yena i-first time yakhe.
Experiencing that.
Sizabona i-second leg
Hayi second leg sechaya.
i-second leg esiza njani ezadetermine
Singafiki ku-second leg but lapha sisa-interrogator into esibonileyo.
yikho
Yikho
ngithi
sikutsho-
abantu laba bebengakwazi ukuthi what is at stake.
Mina what I'm saying guys it's simple mvumelana lo Masutu. I-chicken that played first half. If
Was
they
not-
continued that stance second half,
I
they're
understand.
going to kill that
But
game.
Right.
kwasokuyibumbulu bama-player phela ukuthi umuntu maybe
This is what I'm saying.
sometime
Ukuthi
eqalisa
the other
we are
ukunjani.
told the message
The
from
other thing, even if it's not
from
the
the
message,
technical
if-
area
if-
because Savereza, come on guys, ibhora ngelakho
Hayi,
in position
khangela thina.
sulala phansi ukhipha ibhora ngelakho. How many players abasebe wasting
Asiyali,
isikhathi
asiyali.
46 minutes.
Khangela asiyali kona kokhuluma is true. Babelala of course, but mostly and you cannot put the same energy oyifakileyo first half nxa usivele susukuphenduke usulead because you are trying to maintain the game. But ekumaintaineni igame like engikhulumile ukuthi i-Highlanders being Highlanders e-BF ile support
Hayi.
because i-Highlanders idlala ngokhwela.
lapha liphanguyala utho mina utho ngithe iqiniso
lapha liphonga umbambatha.
thina uyakhumbula unodlule sowethu thina sathi lapha i-chickenini singabuya ifake more goals ngoba sesikhuthe kakhulu chickenini namhle upper end singakhangela i-chickenini the Caps United yayizola nje i-chickenini ngendlela yadlala ngayo le Highlanders first half i-chickenini vele kade mele wine ukudlula ku-Caps
yakwathi i-chicken in leyana yangikhumbuza yiphi i-chicken in. Do you remember kule game ye-chicken versus Highlanders lapho i-chicken in ehamba khona first half i-leader 3-0 kwakungathi sokufuna uba lo msindo sokulanda i-half time i-Highland idliwe abantu labana bathe bephenduka kumbe kwaba yileyani ingqondo yokuthi singabadli kakhulu bengavusana umsindo i-chicken in yabuya yazidlalela ibhora yazichayela ibhora lela laphela 3-0
yabo Divine Lunga.
yabo Divine Lunga labo Moses Jackson
ngiyayikhumbula.
angikwazi maybe yikho kumbundira lawo uyesabe ukuthi kumbe kuzaba lo msindo singabadla kakhulu kumbe sithi but laphana mina I think kulama individuals aba influence play ukuthi i-result lali iqinisa njani isiphume ngendlela
Before moving on kule issue emfuna siyitackle 2 minutes then we move on to the weekend results. Kule issue Mongameli Chuma simbonile TikTok is trending. Kati bora watu team yalita style njani.
Yeah, uyabona i-problem manje sikhona khona bani. I pray ukuthi engangeni nakuthi bo TikTok lawo ma-trends ekubone khona kuyani.
Sekubonile.
Umongameli ngumfana omncane. Umongameli still needs to learn. That is why sithe khona ucoach is there to teach. Emazweni ama-players amaningi alama managers abo. Lokhana kwenzayo at his age kuyatholakala but okwenza futhi kuhange ku-D1 kasatholanga ngathi still ukuze nini i-property team.
kukhona
So ufuze efundise ukuthi khona ebhoreni you don't mock your opponent. Ebhoreni you haven't won until the final whistle. You can lead 6-0. Kube le disturbance sokusele a minute ibhora game is abandoned it's regarded as 0-0. So you win igame seliphelile so we final whistle that's when you can celebrate. But awuchothozi i-opponent yakho and by so doing futhi ufuna ukuthengwa is still young. Ama-players asemazweni ba-invest a lot of money on players. They invest a lot of money in the team. They cannot invest imali emuntwini odlala njengakhona kana kwenzayo. It is nxa ubonile izolo uChirakwe uyawina 1-0 2-0 so better zoke 2-0 rather very ibhora futhi bese ku 87 minutes that about ibhora seliyaphuma umuntu waneCaps uyagida uphoso wamsabhula he was angry he was bitter about that wampopotela because you don't mock your opponent. and ungamuka futhi opponent yakho umuntu kuya risk ama injuries umuntu uyawuqamula
but
la khona sesingasakhuluma imokhulu yana nje laphana asikhangeleni ibhora leliyana elikamonga laphuma ku18 area ku danger zone nje kwakulama players ayi2 awethikheni nayo lapha iyalendazi ile 3
ile upper end
bekuyi counter attack umongo wayemela athi counter ele space sonke waqala ukugida anje and uthe segidile ungathi uyakunanzelela khona ba ibhora kwakumele ingene ayisangenanga kwamele be-count ayisangenanga 2 kwaba yi-yellow card which means umonga yena watshengisa ubu-selfish because you can't umonga usazimarket lokhana vele it was wrong totally angeke ujive phezu kwebhora swa
but mina I think okunye and according to my own understanding umuntu sometimes yabe swele umuntu ongamhlalisa phansi kanjani emtshele on how to handle in media pressure but I will complain again ngama journalist or abantu abama social media English. You don't have to butcher talent kumbe assassinate i-character yomuntu through social media. Umuntu uyabenza mistake but kungabe ngathi usebulela umuntu
because he's a talented
he's a talented person.
He's a talented player.
Why wrong Osibili, but what he did and was entertaining in ama-fans and because ibhora is meant to entertain abantu likididino ukuthi into leyana iza njani but ama-journalist akusadingi ukuthi ehambe sebhala kubi ngayo. I saw ama-post I won't mention amalokhu zenini bona babezazi abanikazi bama-post one said so long umuntu adel city kumele sign we-Scotland kuyi-caption yani yeah that moment and
yeah.
Then omunye wathi this is not Europe material already wena
usubulala
player yikubona even the player yakhe yayizolani ibingekho bengayisiyelwani umonge simaziyo le energy lana enjani because sebengathi bona maybe sebemkhuzile.
I think we've raised a topic for another day on that issue. Abaphathi bama-player umbe ngo-coach or ama-manager kwa-Islander balomsebenzi omkhulu ukulungisa into yena le not only Islanders Football Club but every team in Zim abanama-talented players to guide i-talent ukwenza ukuthi bengangeni ku-same trip especially abafana abancane. Thank you for that. Mfuna
why list on that issue yokuthi abantu like i-character building kumbe i-character assassination eyenzwa ku-social media. I will praise abantu because it seems like final umapeza uzowagcina sesizwana ama-cries abantu uchiweta simbonile ephenduka egemini 90 minutes producing a outstanding performance ubeselilambela ibhora.
Bemfuna singene kuma-results bese uzayithatha so bensithi esikhayeleni amalokhuzini ama-results uzathi usukhuluma ngochiweta
hayi
sumnandi igame ye-Scotland le Moz because it was an interesting game. So lokho siku-segment yethu e-Lucky Bets lana feeling lucky with Lucky Bets. So the games that were played on Saturday, Hunters played against Triangle and le yakhumbula mina ngithi awuthi itembo ekavumi lo
amnathi Hunters yawina so around uphikisa
ime ophikisa futhi
Hunters yawina
so i-Hunters idle ilokhuzeni
ilokhuzeni noMasuti ngiyathi qala sokuthi Hunters yawina
lokho sasingekho sonke sithi itembo wasasonke sithi itembo ngiyavumi
thina sathi ayawina Hunters
so i-Hunters yadla i-Triangle 1-0 then interesting game yakho kaChiweta iScotland engoni yadla iMoz 1-0. That was an interesting game. Kumapeza aphume khona sithi ibhora leZimbabwe libe libuyele emuva kakhulu nge-incident lana yenzekile sikhulume ngale sikhuluma ngekhemu. Then there was also another interesting game. Uluphathi bebuyela former paymasters awululu bambonisa
Bamchaye kakhulu. Lana i-vandalizing.
apparently bamchaye kakhulu.
But hayi khona it was a good result for Mandla.
Yeah.
Mandla bese
yakhumbula besikhuluma last week ukuthi ama-fans
bese under pressure because ama-fans esimbabhora
no patience
lokuyana idoubt ukuthi belokhu kusayibhora kuphela kumbe sokulokunye maybe sabe singakwazi khona le
ama-behind the
eshamva
scenes.
ukuthi kuhamba njani
Eh.
ngoba siyindlela yokureacta to ama-results la
And remember bakhutha i-penalty pen isimba
so it was supposed to be four.
It's supposed to be 4 so uluphahla yakhumbula last time Jay lathi ngani siya profit yakhumbula remember last time zakhuluma ukuthi kaloku uluphahla kwenzakalani ngani team yakhe something ama results
Ayachaza.
akho sharp
maybe bayolokhe bethuka ijele ngabona iplatinum isiyadonata ngale H-Group for ama-teams ande sokule league phela
prison so babethukile ijeni
akathithini after going to do a good thing sibile ukutshengisa ukuthi hayi lathi even normally bochiwe njenge-football team we also care for abantu abanjani
qakathekile
kuqakathekile i-social responsibility suhambe usenza soyana abantu babespect ukuthi basuka ngale bele-morali vele bebhumoya wafika usuphansi.
Then there was a show to me agama lengezi to me
Akama was supposed to win that game.
Lami nje so
to me,
lami
I was
nje mina that
ngezi thuthule lokuzeni
nganthe ngaba yi-first win yelokhu
yagama
Angikhambe ngengezi.
agamile omnyama
Angisikhambele ngengezi sibili but I was shocked sembona ama-results.
agamile omnyama because ngakhela the better half of the game vele yayinjani yayilid.
So then last game kusele 2 games ezadlala Saturday. I think also uke wayithinta beat eManika leya draw i-0-0 le ukuthi iManika abafana nabana baziprove ukuthi lingasinika kuhle inyuku yethu because all expected ukuthi iya draw roll over ilokhuzeni eManika.
Yona phela vele iManika ungayikhangela kuhle it's not a bad squad. You have the likes of Arthur ama-defenders are good but i-problem kuyona le ukuthi inzuzu
Inyuku ibingaphumi sharp
khangathi bafuna ukutshaya isifake imali uzabona.
Then umdala Saturday umbonisa izitayile
bahlohle ngesandla lapha.
i-result alibhala ukuthi hlohle ngesandla. Chicken Inn lost to Bulawayo Chiefs 0-2 or 2-0
When I
rather.
should have just said i-Chicken Inn lost ama-breaking rights when it comes to city football.
For the course of the week ngoba bachaye ngamateam onke akubulawayo.
Women
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi iBulawayo Chiefs ilandele okwenziwa ngubhuti. Singazi siyana. Singazi ku Caps.
Hayi akukepsi.
Ngoba ithi ke nina nivela iBulawayo Chiefs ilandela thina.
Awula comment putters.
Under comment.
So
Comment
Comment yami ngokuthi
sorry.
iChicken Inn ibivele kwazile 12 points. Abafana bale 7-7 abamuthi sibanike 3-3 bebe ku10 bengayikhatshana.
sorry Majens siyaxolisa.
What you can quietly say and ukuthi a better team won kuphela
On the day
so
the Chiefs was a better side.
was the better side so into esingatshona kumbe sithi siklasha ngayo kumbe njani. We move on, we look forward to i-second leg. Singafuni ukuthi sigcine singathi sesi
Mapawe Pirates.
Planti here was the episode abangaze bebone ama viewers ethu ngenqindi esentla.
hayi thina ndoda statement esiyi-one ehlala siyisikhuluma i-rowdy behavior asiyifuni because sport is meant to unite people,
Thank
not
you.
to divide them.
True. In football there are 3 results. There's a win, there's a lose, there's a draw. So you take one at the end of the day. So asithathanga ama results angu-2 we took one which is a loss and we are going further. Next match I think we're hoping for the best because sebe singasadlali labana bethu.
Mina sometimes I just feel like isikhathi lesiyana asicompensate isikhathi esabe siluziwe. I-injury time liyana does it really compensate for ama-stoppages wonke or kumbe sebefakele ukuthi kuthiwa mana mfaki
Mana
because
mfaki for
we
minutes.
have seen it kungathi yinto sometimes esetshenziswa ngocommissioner ukuthi belwe lama-team either sokungaba i-team eluzayo kumbe bencedisa i-team ewinayo ukuthi umuntu uyakwanisa ukuthi efake 6 minutes lapho kumele efake khona 2 minutes ukuthi i-team leyana maybe singahlohla. You have seen it before.
Ezimo into esengayibonani. One asila malight. Already sikhathi sesiyawinda. Nxa sokuchaya u5 sekusiba mnyama. So vele amboni ukuthi bangezela isikhathi.
But
ama issues akho laqinisa
kulama game
but kuyabe kugenuine ukuthi befake isikhathi esiningi.
but yiko phela ngikutsho ukuthi inkinga ukuthi maybe thina ithe singakwaziyo nje ama-supporters lapho expecta khona ukuthi kufakwe isikhathi esiningi lokubona kufakwe isikhathi esilutshwana
bewestile abantu.
lapho o-expecta khona ukuthi kufakwe isikhathi esiningi bafake isikhathi esilutshwana lapho kumele kube lesikhathi esilutshwana sibona befake isikhathi esinjani
Esiningi.
that day game for instance igame
eScotland
le-Chiefs
ngabona 9 minutes.
but amanye amagame
Scotland against Ireland ngale Harare bafaka 6 minutes.
Lala eBeef.
Lela
yayidinga
kwakuyizolo ilokuze balalila abeCaps United babuya labana ukuthi bethatha umuntu bemnenisela phandle baqala ngabona 4 minutes. We expecting 9 minutes lapha.
lokho yakwenza ukuprovokana ama-supporters because umuntu babe buhlungu ngama-$5.
Kakhulu. So then the last game, I think sesike sayithinta ibit i-Islander versus Caps United. I-Caps United ebiya zithatha 3 points eBF isidla i-Islander 2-1.
Lena ngangikhulumile ngathi khona i-Caps asochikenini sembuluza. I-Caps yachaya. I-Caps vandalize. I-Caps yahuquluza bro. I-Caps means business. They came, they played their game, they utilized their chances. Even though the thing they were playing similar football with Islanders, but the Caps was clinical in front of goal. The same thing which is missing with Islanders. Islanders is not clinical in front of goal. They are afraid of scoring. They were lucky against Chicken because of those mistakes and they scored. Now, mistake, it becomes hard to be. It was a very good call for Islanders. If they manage to pressure on and go on like that, they're going to score more goals, but abafuna uku-attempt bekhatshana bafuna ukuhlohla beseboxini.
Aleya ngeyephisi ke sayithi khakha.
Mina I will point out enye into. That day uda lo Pavard babengaqalisanga bonke.
Yes.
Islanders was attacking. Mina I think i-Islanders ngokufaka two ama defensive midfield interlocker yoni ibhora labo liyafa lapha because ibhora ngaze bezama uchama long passes bepass uRauj yachibilike ekhangele lapha yena instead of attacking yena usefuna ukubisela ibhora emove. Highlanders ibisenza more than 20 touches
emove idefend
emove but why listing abethu effort lana bayicha 20 passes going forward
like abakwenze second half
second half kumbe abakwenze egamini yelokuzenini andiyabona ukuthi abantu labana babe angena ngabonke Highlanders was attacking well so yikho kunzima labana bese bethwalise ubani i-striker esi1 nzima because ibi-striker ngongoma amabhora lana abefika engama dead passes yabo ngaphe wingini emuva ulokuzeni umbeba ubeqhula ulimele asazi ukuthi
awubelimele ubekhanya nje ukuthi ulimele
ulimala kwakhe lokhana ukuthi sithi hayi njoba sakunika indlu kumele udlale noma ulimele kumbe yena nguyade engakhulumanga kumbe njani yabo into lana izinto zokunjani because umvelo ubuyile lapha waperforma perfect
yawudlalini
ongabe kuthiwa beqalisile sibili first half i-Caps wasn't going to win that game.
Yawudlalini but yazi ukhulume something savereza sike sathinta i-issue ye-coaching. Imagine wena uhlezi phandle uyasinga ukuthi ukuqalisa kukaBapavare lo da kuyaphambanisa i-team. Umuntu ohlala iviki yonke labo i-technical team abakuboni yini because it's something that's being said even kuma terraces but alas sebabona bonke nje iplay igcine isiphambanise khona lapho abantu abakuyikho abakubonayo.
Sizathini thina asilo cafe but yakwazi ukuthi mina vele lokhuyana mina kuni-disappointed. Imagine from first win to first lose. Now kuhle ukukhanya ukuthi sibili ngendala because ibhasikile lidala liyakwanisa ukuthi uchove kuhle okuyi-distance ihle iqamuka iketani ihle ingasahambi.
Mina kahle savereza mina into engishayileyo kakhulu nje. Nyake mbona even kubo England ukuthi sizo ashe khuluma ngama coaches. Okay. Kulabantu okuthiwa ngama super subs.
These days but ama impact players.
Ukuthi ungabangenisa nge60 minutes bayenze impact yababona benza nanje. Maye ngenile last game wawinisa nje.
uShelton ubengakathi zona.
Akunidi ukuthi umqalise. Yabo like ngikhulumela like Prince nje. Prince ngama super sub but izolo bebeqalisile. uRaushi izolo ubefila nje but wa continue. Umbuzo mina ku coaching kaMorwaro angali mina ngathi lapha iflomo. Kanti why iCaps izeyasabhula 4 substitution. uMorwaro wangenisa abantu wathi hamba le woma abantu 6 minutes babuya bathe besela yini. Ivalenda yakora wababisela bagqoka futhi ama t-shirt nje ade bengamasapha. Kuthe sokuyi 86 minutes wathi hambani futhi bacha futhi another warm up wabangenisa nge87. Yipi miracle? Is a time wasting or is a miracle wakufungwenza?
I think khona okade ngikutsho ukuthi khona coach udlala ibhora lokucoach ibhora kuchiyena. Ngoba nxa udlala ibhora wasuthatha uCAF A CAF B. Mona nto vele kulula kakhulu. I think maybe kulula kakhulu uthola iCAF ka.
Uthi mawule mali.
Uthola icourse yabo CAF something lana.
Ngawule cash.
Ngawule cash because I don't think that ngathi khona kuya ngesikole ngabantu ama coaches amaningi ayenza ngcono. Because you cannot say you are losing. You want to change the game and you're substituting at 87 minutes.
87 minutes.
And you are not guaranteed how many minutes are going to be added afterwards. Because lokana kwaziwa ngama ref. Nge 3 minutes ufaka.
Kemu Nigeria vela kulanda yenza.
Umnigeria uhlo afika walala.
So
lapha mina Masudu on substitution yani okubisela abantu. Umuntu ade ufuna ukukhishwa. Bekungu uDa.
Wahlohla.
So wabsehlohla. Ukuthi umuntu eqeda kuhlohla uthi uphinda umsapho uthi ulineman anti vele bese lokhuziwe into kwakhe. So kube nzima ukuthi bephinde benjani bemsabhule because it was going to
emazweni silobona bekhishwa. Emazweni hlezi
Ethothwa ilast touch yakhe. Uthiwa ilast touch yakhe.
touch wahlohla bamkhishwa. Emazweni silobona
abantu official
but after that and after scoring uDawu zame kangayi. Ubese zama ubese pick ubese gain okuyiform umbo
into eyi1 lifuze libe yazi madoda ukuthi maybe since nje ukhuluma okwenzile asilabo CAF something now. Mina I want to believe
ama fixtures denzivala.
I want to believe ukuthi khona when you are a coach nxa usabhula awusabhuli player ngoba liyadlisa. Awusabhuli player ngoba likwanisa ukudlala ibhola. Usabhula player because you want to impact player to improve more energy. You are just changing. Kufana ukuthi nxa ulomango omude you don't refuel because the fuel is iphelile. You refuel because the tank is low.
Thank you.
So uyakhangela ukuthi khona umuntu lo maybe fatigue simchayile ombe sedinyo even engadinwanga sebemastile iplay yakhe ukuthi imfaka umunye abangamastanga iplayer. Then ebese change but nge87 yini madoda
87
asikhayleni ama fixtures ivikile lo Japan sesitshaye ngake nje abantu bade bekhalisa iside kakhulu asikhayleni ama fixtures abuyayo next fixtures match day 10 agamele platinum
iplatinum yaphika khona
iPFC
FC platinum
uluphasi yawini
away to agama
yawini FC sidliwe kakhulu
ambona enye draw
win draw agama
platinum home
away
away platinum
platinum idlelwe home
idlelwe away so away itapu away then iScotland ile Simba lapho kuyafiwa la
anjena last time iSimba
Scotland is at home
iSimba yathengisela iScotland igame uzithatha league
asifuni nje zinjalo
angikhulumi ngokuthengisa okuthengiswa kwemali alright iScotland yadliwa
ngendlela ungakhangelelanga
iSimba yadliwa yona iveli phambili ifuziki bebe yethathayo khona khane kukuthengise kutsho engutsho not financially but ukuthengisa
Just niki prediction is
yaphi
move.
donation
yaphi donation
Scotland versus Singapore.
so isimpi yawina yabe revenge yabo
Mina ngicabanga Simba.
mina I see a draw futhi.
ZPC Kariba versus Mozi.
Laphana kunzima umtasa uyabe ufuna iwin Mozi
Wose
win.
vela ku lose.
evela kuluze hayi performance yakhe
yayikhemi yasebenza
Ngumpostor wena. Umazi baba.
amatsha
Amasimozo.
Then ichicken ile Dynamos.
Chicken ile Dynamos.
Beef.
Ngesandi.
Saturday.
yeah not yet sure
it might be Saturday or Sunday but most nama home game idlala Saturday
Saturday chicken ama home games. Le Dynamos beef. Saturday. The prediction akula ndenzima.
hayi avuke chicken iyavukela kudana
Lwazimbuzi.
chicken iyavukela kudana mos
Mina
Yazi chazumbuza wena.
win draw ku chicken in.
thina sesicomplete 3 wins 3 draws 3 lose so now
Kasa kutsha.
sesikhamba
Awona vele amfukuzwe yakhe ngoba impinto
ukuthi
yakhe.
ngochazunguza lokho bazabonta
I-Caps-
selikhamba siyanga relegation
I-Caps
ungathi ningaphansi kwethinga
Chiefs.
Abafana nje bayasilandela.
I-Caps
hayi Caps yachaya madoda
Abafana
ningaqamba
anti ngasidliwe. Sawina against Kenny sadliwa against abafana bayasilandela.
hayi Caps yachaya
Bazasilandela futhi.
hayi Caps yachaya
Lose.
tina we have improved from first lose yani from lose at Dynamos we have improved a lot ungakhangela sibe le ichicken isidle ka2 saba le draw le ZPC
abanye mawini okubazela ngabalwa yini engarekhodwayo vele yabazela
ile medal
Alright.
hayi Caps yachaya bro
Sayizwile lapho khona. Ubenza uli Island.
away
Island kulochomlo top goal scorer.
endala
yabuyela ku-draw endala versus lomdala
Endala versus umdala.
yabuyela ku-draw yazi ndaba
Uyambi yarana.
Hayi arang. Hayi arang. Abasimotivate abafana.
Ngowichi.
Akho sazihamba versus against Rangers last season. Yafika sibamba futhi nge-0-0.
I-triangle ile 10-1.
thelwani kunzima la
ithelwani sokunzima sokufuza ivuke la i-draw futhi 1-1
Uchitembu ivela ku lose.
Itriangle yawina.
Adrock versus Antas.
iya-draw kusiqala sokwenza imisebenzi yabe-division 1 iyamiswa futhi i-Antas
Adrock Antas.
adrock singawe
Hard rock.
draw leya
Alright. Hayi mina vele ngama prediction ngena ngangisiza umoya usisho. Ingezi last game ingezi le manika.
ingezi yawina
Ngezi straight.
Ngabe motivate member nje bebe
Loba beholile nje.
aze banike 10,000
hayi sivukile imanika kade siyawina
imali
imanika
ayisikedlala ibhola
sivukile
Alright.
sebezi market phela njalo
Siyaxolisa uba bade kakhulu kunenge sokuchile idivision 1 asithintanga ama results abomama siwathintanga sizathi kwafaka because isikhathi sethu sibe side kakhulu
safaka ama slides
siyaxolisa kakhulu bantu benkosi bathandekayo kodwa siyabonga ukuthi usibukele waze wafika la ekugcineni utshengisela ukuthi uyaluthanda uhlelo tshela abanye besubscribe be-engage labo ucomment section be-share ukwenza ukuthi ifamily yethu ikhule siyabonga abasubscribe-ayo nxa uyisubscribe entsha ubukele lolu hlelo tshela omunye la tshela omunye sikhulise
tell a
i-channel
friend to tell a friend
sijala ukuqeda ngama-last words gents so sengiyivala ngicela last word siyivale siyephumula
yeah my last words is to football asivumeleni okwenzakala eground kuyale kuseground singabi ngo-reflex like what happened the incident yayizolo ku-Caps United Islanders whereby people were throwing our missiles kuyasafisa i-team because i-team yayigcina ibhadala $2,000 wena nxa ungasabanjwanga ukuthi ubhadala 250 yakho i-team iyebhadalayo but ungaba lomnyama bekubambe uyabhadala 250 umbe uhambe ejele. So let's be careful, let's love football no matter the result. At the end of the day, we're one people, one family. Let love lead.
Ivalisa Vereza.
Hayi namanengi angilawo. Besicela ukuthi na uvuma sehlisele ibhora kuphela.
Yale ngani ingoma lesayihlabela isizini zephele.
And ingoma lama mfowethu asiselweni ibhora.
Be review ama price.
Ivesi le kayihlabela ibhora lezephele.
Sikubonile.
Sicela iclip lenxa isendeka mbuka yasendeka epage le PSL lihambise khona.
Semvala ama fans why iPSL bikhona nje ke trade fair. Bemela abantu bethatha ithuba. Ngiyawazi ioffice ikhona bakubulawa but bonke bebekhona e-trade fair. Abantu bemele behambe ngobuningi befike bebatshela.
Before petition.
Ngizamile ukubatshela ukuthi hayi
I think
abantu bakhala ukuthi ibhora liyadura.
Kuzayenza ama review.
Mina ngihambile ngabatshela.
Mina ngibatshela ngisirade ukuthi igame azame ukwehlisa ama games.
Mina ngihambile ngabatshela ukuthi hayi ibhora liyadura maduda. I-episode lela ngiqabe ngayibule bavuma ukuthi awunduda lo wasitshela.
Ibhora limnandi abantu balithanda but abasel afford. E-South Africa $2 40 rand, eBotswana $20 pula.
Ibhora
eZimbabwe lile golide yini phakathi le
$100.
ibhora liyadura. So on that note, please sicela ukuthi ubukele futhi ngeviki ezayo lolu hlelo labe lukhona. Proudly brought to you by our #1 sponsor, Lucky Bets. Until next week, guys.